videos up into 5-minute videos, so I'm able to upload them onto the internet. So we will be stopping and starting quite a bit. Probably think about our basketball game later tonight when considering our diet.
Yeah. Maybe get something healthy for now.
McDonald's?
Yes.
Alright.
After we win. I got one
Today is Monday, which means it's 50-cent taco day. Joe, last week, 2 weeks ago, Joe ate 18 crunchy tacos. I was very proud of him.
I'm not proud of that at all. Oh, where's the flag?
Oh, they took down the flag. I guess because of the snow. There's usually a flag on top of that rock. The American one. Winding down the mountain. Carson's down there. Can't really see it yet. That's a good tree up there. I like that tree. Excuse me. Now I can kind of see Carson. Have multiple trucks?
Yeah.
So he's kind of like a modern day cowboy.
Nice guy though. Probably wouldn't have been so nice if I was
Carson City. There it is. Right here.
There's it, right here. It's probably like...
Not really much to look
What
at.
if it's like the least populated?
Hold on a second. I gotta stop this and restart.